lawyers keen to work with China companies and law firms can soon join a new training program. It capitalizes on the deepening cooperation between the two countries.
Now, the program aims to familiarize them with the Chinese culture, business environment and legal system. The Law Ministry has also set up an advisory committee to advise on the curriculum and the implementation of the program, which will roll out early next year.
This is an important program because it's not just about the nuts and bolts of it. It's not just looking at the hard laws of the legal system, but also one that allows us to understand the business culture and environment, how they do business, what matters to them, how they want to resolve disputes, and then build a stronger bond, not just at the legal level, but also at the human level.